A mobile app that detects diabetic retinopathy from a photo, AI software that analyzes radiology images for cancer, a cloud platform that monitors heart failure patients remotely. These aren't just apps. They're FDA-regulated medical devices. But here's the problem. They're being developed with quality systems designed for hardware. And that creates a compliance gap the FDA is actively targeting. Software as a medical device, SaMD, is the fastest growing segment of the medical device industry. Unlike traditional devices with physical components, SaMD exists purely as software. It runs on smartphones, cloud servers, tablets. The platform isn't the device, the software is the device. And this creates unique regulatory challenges. How do you validate software that updates continuously? How do you manage cybersecurity risks that evolve daily? How do you maintain design controls when you're deploying code multiple times per week? Traditional medical device quality systems weren't built for this. FDA has clear requirements for SaMD, IEC 62304 for software lifecycle processes, comprehensive cybersecurity documentation, threat models, security testing, software bill of materials, design controls covering requirements, architecture, verification, validation, risk management integrated throughout development. But here's where it breaks down. Your developers are working in agile sprints, committing code daily, deploying updates weekly. Your QMS is asking for formal design reviews, locked requirements, and validation protocols that take months. The result? Either you slow development to a crawl to satisfy compliance, or you move fast and create documentation gaps that FDA will find during inspection. FDA's most common citations for SaMD manufacturers: inadequate software requirements, can't trace requirements to tests, insufficient verification, missing test cases, incomplete coverage, poor validation, tested without representative users or clinical data, configuration management failures, can't recreate specific software versions that were released, and the big one, inadequate training, developers performing validation without documented qualifications, security personnel lacking cybersecurity training, quality teams unable to demonstrate competency in software quality practices. The pattern is clear. Traditional QMS platforms force a choice: compliance or velocity. Here's what SaMD development actually needs. When a developer commits code, the system verifies they're qualified for that module. When a security vulnerability is discovered, training automatically triggers for affected developers. When requirements change, everyone who needs retraining is identified instantly. When you're ready to release, the system confirms all developers completed required training, all testers are qualified, all security reviews were performed by trained personnel. Complete audit trails, automatic enforcement, real-time visibility, not a separate LMS you manually coordinate with your QMS. Integrated quality and training in a single platform built for software development. The SaMD market is exploding. AI-powered diagnostics, digital therapeutics, remote patient monitoring. Companies with mature quality systems will lead this transformation. Those trying to retrofit hardware, QMS to software development will struggle with recalls, warning letters, and competitive disadvantage. The full SaMD compliance guide, link below, because software is different.